So dead brother, huh? Yeah, it can be annoying.
Well, he's been dead before. No, this time I think it might be true.
And you said your sister and your dad
Both dead.
but still got a mom, though?
Killed by a dark elf.
Best friend?
Stabbed through the heart. You know, I'm 1,500 years old. I've killed twice as many enemies as that. And every one of them would rather kill me than me succeed. I'm only alive because fate wants me.
And what if you're wrong?
Well, if I'm wrong, then what more can I do?